My name is Lauren Cisneros. I'm a proud 2020 Latino Leadership Institute Fellow. I'm going to share with you a little bit about my LLI journey. In the beginning, I wasn't sure what I'd gain from participating in the LLI. I knew I needed professional development and was eager to learn leadership skills. During the ropes course, I was excited to meet new people, challenge myself, and learn. I knew from the beginning that it would be a great way to network and meet inspiring leaders. In the LLI, we spent time doing self-reflection to understand the roots of our identities. In doing this, I really dug deep to understand who I am. I knew I came from two different cultures. My parents came together and started a family. Throughout my life, being a biracial child came with its own set of challenges, but I learned in the LLI that the Latino community encompasses many different backgrounds and cultures, and I'm just a sliver of that. I came into the program often wondering if I was Latino enough, but came to realize that I am part of the Latino community and represent. The LLA taught me the history of Latinos in Colorado, and I'm proud to say that my family can be traced back for generations. I really started to understand that I came from generations of leaders who have paved the path for me to succeed. My father, a veteran, taught me discipline and pride for my country. My grandmother went away from the typical role that women played in her day. She was an entrepreneur and was a successful business owner for over 60 years. My grandfather, who was also a veteran, was the mayor of our small town and volunteered his time to create opportunities for the youth in the community. Together, they made history. And then there's my mother. She was the first in her family and my father's to go to college. She taught me to have passion for education and showed me the power it has in opening doors. These inspiring leaders molded me, taught me work ethic, values, perseverance, and to help other people. The community I grew up in shaped my perspective and to have an appreciation in culture, land, community, and history. In addition to them, my own family plays an important role in who I am and how I lead. The LLI made me understand the importance of my family in my journey as a leader. They will always be my number one priority. They inspire me and motivate me to be the best version of myself. Leading them is the most important role that I have, and I want to do more to make an impact. They are my biggest cheerleaders and support system. LLI made me realize the importance of our culture and how we should incorporate that so they can also pass it down to their other generations. Helping them accomplish their goals has become my focus in life. I'm excited to see the impact that they will make. Through the Insights report, I learned what my strengths are, what my weaknesses are, and what type of work my heart desires. Most important, the LLI has taught me what kind of leader I want to be. I learned the importance of being a reflective leader. I came to realize that I want to help develop others. I learned that I want to lead with respect. I want to be resilient and lead with empathy and have a positive ripple effect on my community. Since I was young, and even in my professional world, I've been asked what I want to be. I have always found this question the most difficult to answer. I still may not know exactly what I want to be, but the LLI has helped me get one step closer to answering the big question. I now have a vision and a direction, and I'm excited to see what's to come. Thank you, LLI.